Genius Nation, what's going on? Happy Saturday to you. Welcome to a brand new day. I hope wherever you are in the world, your day is starting off fantastic. As I normally say to you, as my grandmother used to say to me, anytime you're on this side of the dirt, it's a great day. So, welcome to this Saturday. So, for me, just sharing with you once again my routines and my procedures and my formulas for success. For me, Saturday morning is a day where I do three things, and that's what I'm going to share with you today. So for Saturday, for me, is my rewind day. Saturday, I like to look back over my week. So I do three things. I rewind, I go back, I review, and then I repair. So that's what we want to learn how to do on Saturdays. Saturdays, end of the week, we want to rewind. We want to go back to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, see if we accomplished what we said we wanted to accomplish this week. So we're going to rewind. We're going to go back. Then we're going to review. You're going to break down each of your days, see where you was on it, see where you were slipping. This is a practice, right? We call this game film. In athletics, we call this game film. We call this watching the game, watching the film to see where you were hitting and where you were slipping. When I played college football, they would have this term. They say the eye in the sky, the eye in the sky. And what they meant by that was our practices were getting recorded. Our practice was getting recorded. Now, even though you knew that the practice was getting recorded, it would slip your mind because you didn't actually see the cameras. They were these small cameras and they were recording the practice. So unconsciously, you wouldn't think about it, or consciously, you wouldn't think about it. And so you would forget the eye is in the sky. And so what would happen is your coaches would come in and they would bring you in and they would make you watch game film. And they would say, Will, on this play right here, you were supposed to sprint out. You were jogging. Now, if they would just say that to me, I would say, no, I played 100% out. I was playing all out. And then they would turn on the film. The eye in the sky don't lie. The eye in the sky don't lie. And they would say, nope, you didn't. You weren't playing full out. And so this is what we want to do with our weeks. We want to give an honest assessment about our weeks. So, tomorrow we're going to be talking about how you set up for your week. That's what we do on Sundays, right? We use Sundays to set our week up. Saturday, we use it to review, go back, rewind, and review our week and see if we got accomplished. So when you look at your task list, your to-do list, and you look, Monday, did I accomplish what I was supposed to do? Tuesday, did I do that? So for me, what I have my whiteboard right here, and I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, everything that I'm supposed to get accomplished. And I go through and I check it off. If I have up here some things that I did not do, and I have some things on my board that I did not complete, I got to go back and say, why didn't I complete it? What got in the way of me completing it? Sometimes it's actually something that actually got in the way. Sometimes it may just be me procrastinating. Sometimes it may be just being lazy. I don't know. But I have to go back and do an honest assessment of what happened and why didn't I get it accomplished, right? And then on tomorrow, when we talk about our setup, I'll go back and look at over all the things that I was supposed to accomplish this week that I didn't get accomplished, that needs to move to the next week and get accomplished. And so I want to make sure that I don't, something that I was supposed to accomplish this week, I don't want it to keep lingering on. So I got to make sure that I tackle it. Another thing, in repair, I'll look at my list. Today, and there may be some things I may be able to knock out. So I'm looking at my list. There are some things that I'm going to be able to knock out that I really don't want to linger into next week, because next week has its own set of tasks. So what we're going to do, we're going to rewind, right? We're going to rewind. We're going to go back all the way to Monday, and then we're going to start reviewing our week, and then we're going to repair anything that we need to repair that could be repaired, meaning just accomplished or finished. I like to just use the triple R, right? That's how I frame things in my mind. So it's just repair, need to fix, need to correct, need to finish up. I just call it all repairing my week. Like my week right now has some holes in it, so I need to go and repair it. That's why I use that word. So that's what I want to share with you guys on this Saturday. It's just something that I do that helps me stay productive, helps me get all of my tasks done. I rewind, I review, and I repair. So implement that into your life, implement it into your planning for your week, and see how much more effective you are. All right, that's what I have for you today. Go out there and have an amazing day. It's Saturday. Go out there and enjoy yourself. Have a little laughter in your life, and I'll see you back here on the Daily Genius tomorrow morning. All right, guys, have a blessed day.